Use your last will and testament to not leave anything to your children. Everyone thinks about children and delaying it for their kids until they're a certain age. That's great. But also, every one of our estate plans has a section called special distributions. And what this does is it allows this inheritance that would go to your children or your other loved ones, your other beneficiaries, to be held in trust in certain circumstances. What type of circumstances? Well, one, let's just say one of your children is now 25 or whatever age it is that you say they can get 100% of their inheritance, but they've decided to try cocaine or they decided to try crack, and now they have a substance abuse issue. If you have the appropriate tools in your toolbox, in the special distribution section, it says if they have a substance abuse issue, then the money will still be held in trust. It can be used for their benefit. It can be used for treatment. It can be used to make sure they're not living on the street, but your child or your loved one or your beneficiary cannot go to the trustee and say, give me money, I want to go to Las Vegas on a cocaine-fueled long weekend. Speaking of Vegas, what if they have gambling issues, right? You want to have a tool in your toolbox that says, hey, if my son all of a sudden is addicted to betting on horses, that his money isn't going to go to his bookie. Protect those assets by using a will that is well thought out, very comprehensive, because leaving things outright is a recipe for disaster.